Hello and very warm welcome. You can see beautiful design. This scene is not like any building where you can celebrate something. This is the view from one of the hospital in Japan. Even in the hospital, how clean and neat a hospital, and you can see the look, how nicely they design and organize. It looks like a heart made by artificial things, and you can see the some more things. You can see the surrounding walls, beautiful style painted with the animals, trees, birds, and it's wonderful atmosphere. You can see the birds, some kids playing with the animals, one bird sitting on the animal, and some birds are flying there. Beautiful scene, a wonderful atmosphere. So enjoy the video and see how neat and clean environment in Japan for the hospital. Even this hospital, inside the hospital, keep the space for some peaceful moments, for some very peaceful environment.